Guys, we're in the high roller section of the New England Motorcycle Museum, and that's where a bike like this belongs because, frankly, you're not going to find another one like it for sale anywhere on planet Earth. This can only be described as an obsession and a labor of love. This bike was a good, clean, original Survivor Yamaha Enduro 175. All the cycle parts were straight on it, and it was taken right down to the frame. Automotive quality paint job on the frame. The wiring harness was all redone, and every nut and bolt and component on this bike has been gone through. There was 102 hours of shop labor invested into this bike, 750 on the paint job, and over $2,000 in parts. So do the math. At 150 bucks an hour for labor, it adds up pretty quick. Starting at the front of the bike, you can see the new chrome on the front wheel is absolutely spectacular. And what looks like a chromed hub is actually a polished aluminum hub. This hub was completely dismantled and polished to show chrome level. The spokes were replaced. The fork lowers were polished to chrome. That's not chrome, guys. It's polished aluminum. This is chrome up here. This is chrome, and this is chrome. But the chrome on the forks is new. The fork rubbers are new. The fork seals are new. The fork oil is new. The cables are in brand new condition. The headlight bucket has been repainted and refinished. The headlight ears have been redone. The front fender has been repainted. Coming up to the bars, you've got a new clutch lever, new brake lever, new grips, new bars. The original switch housings look to be in brand new condition. It has an NOS brand new. That's a $450 brand new NOS speedometer and a matching tachometer. The ignition is also new. The keys are new. The tank was completely restored inside and out. The inside was vapor blasted, professionally restored. It has a new fuel petcock. The cap was restored, and it's a beautiful paint job with the original factory graphics applied. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The graphics were clear coated over as they should be. The saddle's been reupholstered. If you look underneath the seat, you'll see everything's in brand new condition, brand new battery. The oil pump is in perfect working order. The seat's been completely restored. The rear fender's been restored and repainted. The rear brake light is in perfect condition, and electrically, the bike is a 10. Everything works beautifully as it's supposed to. Coming around this side of the bike here, you can see the absolutely stunning, completely restored wheel housing, hub. Brakes are redone, brand new tire and tube, still has the hairy nubs on it. Forks are beautiful. The tank on this side is beautiful. The oil tank was restored and refinished and repainted. These are brand new reproduction covers for the side. You can see the engine cases have been polished like chrome. The engine was dismantled and rebuilt from the crank up. New pistons, new rings, new top end. Less than 100 miles on the brand new engine. And the bike is restored to showroom condition. The exhaust pipe has no dents or dings. It's the original 50-year-old exhaust system on this bike. Guys, this bike is 50 years old. I was 10 years old when this bike came out. I'm 60 years old. The rear shocks are new. The passenger pegs are new. The swing arm was refinished the same way the rest of the bike was. It has new swing arm bushings. The steering head bearings were serviced. The rear brakes were redone and serviced, and you can see everything's beautifully polished back here, along with the hub. The new chromed on the rim, new rear tire, and new chain and sprockets. The foot pegs are in brand new condition. Everything works exactly as it should. The carb's been restored and repainted. The original black, the cylinder and head has been repainted. The cases have been beautifully polished. And if you look at the underside, everything is in clean on the bottom as it is on the top. So yeah, brake light, horn, everything works great on it. I'll give you a quick riding demonstration so you can hear this baby run. It's a 50-year-old antique motorcycle that's been restored frame up to brand new showroom condition. You see on this side here, the sprockets brand new, the pegs new, all the running gear, hardware, everything is in pristine condition on this bike. Absolutely the finest one we've had here at the museum. We specialize in these vintage dirt bikes and enduro bikes here. It's one of our things because when I was a kid, this is what I wanted. I had a DT175. I had the later monoshock, the 79 6-speed monoshock unit. But this is, when you look at this tank right here and look at this rear quarter view from back here, this is an iconic classic that they just don't make them like this anymore with all the chrome and beautiful paint job, metal, and it's just an iconic classic. If you have any questions about this bike, give us a call. It's being auctioned off on eBay. Going over the work order, again, there's pages of information. The total invested in time and labor is 102 hours of labor with about $2,000 in parts and $700 in paint. So you're looking at just $18,000, 15,300 in labor, 2,000 in parts and 700 in paint. So $18,000 investment. Will it sell for that much? Probably not. These are mostly a labor of love, but it's worth every penny of what this bike goes for. It's not a $5,000 or a $7,000 bike. This is that's why I said it's going in the high roller section. We can't give this one away. It's a major investment, and to duplicate it, you're looking at 100 hours of shop labor and thousands of parts. So it's a diamond. Bid high and bid often. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. This will look great under the tree. And God bless America.